everybody, so today I am going to be doing...
Natalie, I just slammed the door, you have to turn over.
Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create a New Year's painting. Especially because today is New Year, but I wanted to show you like how to do it, how much supplies you need. I just really wanted to do it really bad, especially because I just uploaded my first video. But I'm really looking forward to it, and it took me a while to do this, but I'm just trying to do it as well as I can. So I'm going to explain the things you need. You will need a paintbrush, napkins, water, black paint, and a paint palette, red and blue paint, and a sponge. And you'll also need some like Posca pens or like Sharpies, variety of different colors, and a gold marker. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your black paint, which is hard to open, and you are going to just pour that into your paint palette. I'm using a gallon, but it doesn't really take a lot to fill the whole entire canvas. And I already got my hands dirty. Okay, first step is you're going to take your paintbrush and just start painting the whole entire canvas black. So my trick of doing it is like I take like a whole clump and just like try to work it from there and like just spread it. Like if there's like any big chunks, then like, oh, there's a big chunk, just spread that over the canvas instead of just using all the paint. So yeah. And the best part that I really wanted to do was like, and you can see like right here, like there's all sorts of fireworks, blends, and all of that, and all sorts of different colors. It's supposed to be like fireworks. But anyway, I should have said this before. Happy New Year! I'm just going to paint this whole canvas, and I'll paint the canvas while you paint the canvas.
5 minutes later.
So I just finished painting this whole entire canvas black. So I will see you when it dries.
2,000 years later.
So my canvas has fully dried, and now we're going to take our so I was thinking, because I don't really want it. Oh, okay, I'm back. So what you're gonna do is you're going to take your blue and you're going to draw little like thingies now. So you're just going to do a whole bunch of those in the corner of the corner of the canvas. So now that you've done those in the corner of the canvas, what you're going to do is you're just going to you're going to draw a blue line. So going long, small, long, small, long, small, and just create that into a circle. To make that shape, just keep going around in a circle long, small, long, small, long, small, long, small. And then once you get to like the center, you want to really like curve it so you know what direction you're going in. It'll look better that way if you're in the curve. And that is supposed to be your New Year's blue fireworks. So you're just going to do a couple more of your blue fireworks, and then you can move on to your red fireworks. So here's my second one. It's not as good as the first, but it's okay. I'll accept it because I have to accept it. And when you're in the middle, the black from the back will like kind of like show through. So in the center, just if there's any like black dots, then just cover that up with blue or red, whatever color you want to do. I'm just gonna do a few more blue, and then I can move on to my red fireworks. So I went ahead and did some blue and red fireworks. I just whacked myself in the face. I just went large, small, large, small, large, small, large, small, large, small, and I keep doing that until I finish the circle. And I just keep doing that over and over. And I did about 4 blues. So now I'm on to my red. So now you're going to take your sponge. That's the fun part. You're going to take your bright red, and now you're going to do your light blue. I'm using aqua blue. Now you're going to take your sponge. You're going to just you're just going to squeeze to make it look like a bow. Make it look like a bow by pinching the middle of your sponge. And you're going to take the small side, just dunk it into the red. Or blue, whatever one you want to start with, and then just dab it onto your painting to get the really nice texture. I say texture a lot, but this time I mean it. You don't want to put red all over your page, all over your like canvas, because you're gonna need room for that blue. So while you're waiting for that to dry, you are not going to let it sit. Well, you're going to let it sit, but you're still going to be working on your project. You're going to see all these little dots in the background. You're going to be doing them, all these little dots. If you can't see it, then those dots. Start dotting. I really like this green because it's like emerald and it's really pretty when it comes out. It's important that you use paint pen because if you use just like Crayola markers or something, I don't know, washable, very washable. So paint markers are permanent. So, the dots were the last step to your New Year's painting. I'm just joking. The gold markers next. You were probably wondering, why did you do these blue leaf things? Remember the first thing we did after it dried? Black paint. The leaves, the blue leaves in the corner. These thingies, just in case you don't remember. Yeah, you probably been wondering what that was for. So I had an idea in mind. I was going to draw a line through the middle to make it look like a real leaf, but also I'm going to add lines around it now. I'm going to add gold dots around it. And in between the dots, I'm going to make little lines. Well, even though the paint has not dried on mine, what we were going to do is take the paint pens and just dot on the inside. But because it's not dry enough, oh wait, that's dry. Okay, well the ones that are dry, you're lucky. As you can see from my drawing, I just did little dots inside of those splatters in their color. And here should be your finishing product. I am really proud of this. If you make it, then let me know. I really liked it. And thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much.